A potentiometer wire is 100 centimeter long and a constant potential difference is maintained across it. Two cells are connected in series, first to support one another and then in opposite direction. The balance points are obtained at 50 centimeter and 10 centimeter from the positive end of the wire in the two cases. The ratio of EMF is, the ratio of the EMF we need to find here. When these EMFs are in series and aiding each other, their sum equal to 50 into K. That means it is adding each other, their sum is equal to 50 into K. Then, where K is the potential difference per unit length of the potentiometer Y, we can write that one as, that is epsilon 1 plus epsilon 2 is equal to 50 into K. Then, when the EMF are in opposite direction, then epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2 is equal to 10 into K. Then, by adding the above two equations, we get, that is 2 epsilon 1 is equal to 60K. Then, epsilon 1 is equal to 30K. Then, epsilon 2 is equal to 50K minus 30K. We get the value, that is 20K. Then, the ratio of the epsilon 1 and epsilon 2 is equal to epsilon 1 and epsilon 2. The ratio is equal to 3/2. This we can see in the option D. Option D is the right answer.